Well, it's that time again. I'm gonna try and do some development work and let you guys come along for the ride. Cool, yeah, I'm just gonna refresh this. I don't think I'm in the right spot, but that's okay. Okay, got some code. I'm styling and profiling today. I'm writing CSS, cascading style sheets, my friend. Excuse me, I am cascading the style. I'm riding the wave. I'm riding the style wave. Actually, I might be catching some waves here because I'm actually kind of working in Shopify, and get me back. Working in Shopify. Let's see. Not a way to do that. Not a way to, let's go ahead and Great. Alright. I forgot the float on top feature. I went away there for a second. Anyways, let's make something disappear, because why not? This is actually according to the design that I have in front of me, so I'm not just randomly let me make this thing disappear. I could if I wanted to, but no. It is part of the thing. So I don't speak French. A lot of this is in French, as far as what you're seeing on the front end. I don't. Let me be clear. I do not read, nor do I speak French. I don't really have any other language in my arsenal of languages other than English and bad English and foul English. A lot of different variations of English. But anyways, what I'm gonna do is just, I think it'd be kind of cool, and it's gonna be like really stupid straightforward to a lot of you that may be have a little bit more experience with HTML, CSS, and all that stuff. But I think it's always kind of cool just to kind of see what you can do or what I can do, or just really just making a video for the sake of making a video. No, yeah, kind of. It's a little bit of that. But what I'm gonna do is, you see all these sort of like pinkish, reddish tinted, reddish color theory class coming back into play. Buttons, we call them CTAs, call to actions, under things in the user interface world of things. I am going to make those go away because I can. And what's really interesting, without going into great detail, CSS, maybe I'll do that. I'll have like a ramp up video of like, this is I'll have like an draft, like, this is CSS, this is the cascade, this is how things fall in scope and specificity and all that awesome stuff. But for now, I just want to make a button go away. So with so much magic, this is great. You're not seeing any of my code, you're just seeing the front end. I'll show you that. Okay. It's all in liquid. And I honestly, I didn't write all of this stuff I think I might be the second or third generation developer on this particular code base. So sometimes finding things, but I have been working with it for a while, so it actually shouldn't take me that long. There she is, and let's see. There's a class I can kind of look into. Button I can kind of look into. There's another class name. I kind of want to make the class name a little bit better, but I don't want to spend any more time on this. So I'm just gonna do it really quick. Just because I said I would, I'm gonna follow through, and I'm gonna make it disappear. It's gonna be kind of cool. So basically, I just need to select it, and you can kind of equate selecting it to like calling it by its name, which I think is a song. But you can call it by its name. So I'm gonna do it with a little bit of context, but I'm just gonna say its name is this guy. And like I said, I'll make another video where I explain exactly how CSS works, so it doesn't look so. How did you do that? So basically, I have it selected. I just wrote like, "Hey, this is your name. I'm gonna call you by your name," which I swear is a song. And I'm just gonna do. There's always the coolest thing about working on the web and working with CSS and JavaScript and all this stuff is there's always like a million different ways to do things. There's always like a better way. Some might say that there's a best way. I am of the camp of there's always a better way, but best is, I think, dependent on your use case and like what you're trying to do and like the constraints and the goals and what they're trying to optimize or whatever. Anyways, this is not production ready code, but this is just kind of I'm just trying to get it there, get it to like a demonstration ready. So literally, there is a property, or this is property, just a rule. I guess it's the rule block. There's a property display none. I can hit save, and hopefully, fingers crossed, refresh. This will disappear. No, I'm pretty confident. Yeah, it'll go away. Hey, look at that! Didn't go away. There's probably so many reasons why it didn't go away. I guess I should probably check. You know what? This is gonna be really dumb and stupid, and you should not do this. But for the sake of finishing this video on time, or in a timely manner, I'm just gonna force it. You can do that by basically screaming at it with an exclamation saying, "Hey, you do this thing I told you to do." So, oh, look at that! It is hanging in there. Okay, so this is always fun. This is gonna be great for every video. So there's obviously something either more specific that's overriding what I'm trying to add, or even better yet, I probably just didn't write my CSS correctly, which happens, which does happen, believe it or not. All right, everything should be fine. Should be going. Let's see any particulars. To be honest with you, nothing is standing out to me. I'm looking at context. Is the context wrong? So I'm contexting the hierarchy of the actual element. Oh, yep, that's the problem. Look at that. Look at that. They're siblings. They are not. There's not a parent-child relationship. Respond to something like that. Okay. Siblings. So what I'm gonna do is, because that's how snazzy I am, I'm just gonna, and I'm actually using CSS, but we'll come back to that. I know it's just like it just goes from one confusing point to another. I'm not really getting into depth of explaining anything. I literally just want the button to go away at this point. So let's see it go away. Wow, it is. This is kind of embarrassing. I don't know if I'm going to publish this video, but I might. Is this direct signal? It is a signal, right? I'm not just Wixing. I did direct signal, general. I guess the way was like, hey, just chill, man. Like, generally speaking. Alright, literally just want this thing to go at this point. Most embarrassing. Trust me, I do this for a living. Hey, look at that. The button's gone. And with that, I'm going to wrap this up, because this was truly embarrassing, but I think I'm going to publish it anyways. Have fun.